So last week I found myself at an airport with lots of extra time on my hands. So I went and I got myself a magazine and I picked up Martha Stewart Living. And as I'm thumbing through, she has an entire article on sheet pan cooking. And then this morning I'm watching Food Network and Ree Drummond is also talking about sheet pan cooking. So apparently there's this whole underground efficient cooking technique that I knew nothing about. But today, Flawsome Foodies, we are no longer going to be on the outside because today we're going to make an Italian roasted chicken sheet pan dinner that everyone is going to enjoy. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the dressing. I've got 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. I'm going to pour that right here into the mixer, and then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of olive oil. Okay. And then we're going to take the juice of 1 lemon. We're going to come over to the chicken and we're going to generously salt and pepper the chicken that we've placed on an oiled sheet pan. And then here's a little technique, since if you're cooking by yourself, so you're just going to drizzle this on here. And then you're going to use one hand and you're going to go around like this. And then now you're going to add, now you're using your clean hand, you're going to add your potatoes. I've cut up about 1.25 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. And I had a purple one, so I wanted to make sure I used that. And again, using my clean hand, I'm going to pick this up and I'm just going to drizzle this. And now I'm going to dirty this hand. This one's got the chicken on it. You want to make sure that you don't make any of your dinner guests ill. And so I'm going to take these and I'm going to spread them around the chicken on the one pan. I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to pop it in the oven that's been preheated at 475 and I'm going to cook that for about 15 minutes. So to be more efficient in the kitchen, while the chicken is cooking for the first 15 minutes, I took that time to cut up 2 zucchinis and a pint of cherry tomatoes that I'm going to put a little less than a pint of cherry tomatoes will go into the marinade that I had left from the potatoes. Spent in it for about 20 minutes. These are pretty big chicken breasts, so I left it in for about 20 minutes. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip them over on the pan just so that they can evenly cook and get nice and browned. What we're going to do is we're going to take the zucchini and the tomatoes and we're just going to start putting them on this same sheet pan. I'm going to finish this and we're going to pop this back in the oven and then we're good to go. Holy sheet pan, that was easy! See, cooking healthy doesn't need to be hard. You just need to know a few basic skills. And if you want to keep killing it in the kitchen, join the Flawsome Foodies family by clicking here to subscribe.